having a fun convention. Now that we're men, it's up to you, me, to other lyrics. Now that we're men, go ahead.
Go ahead.
What a nice time.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. And if you love gaming, animations, anime, or cosplay, don't forget to click the subscribe button right over here. For my previous beach day video, click on this video right over here. I'll see you guys later. Peace!